This is how you make a steak in a dishwasher. First, you add your yeast. We use Bud Light. Then you add your salt. The salt and the yeast combination will help dehydrate the meat. Then our secret sauce is the Everglade seasoning. Seriously, you guys, this stuff is to die for. And the final step is to top it off with some whiskey. Now go ahead and close that dishwasher and start the cycle. While we wait for it to cook, we're gonna chop our onion. Now go ahead and chop it up. It doesn't matter how, just make sure to finely cut these things as good as you can. Go ahead and chop it multiple times. Now go ahead and bring the yeast and add it to your onion. Now go ahead and knead the yeast in there and make sure the yeast gets caught in all the little pockets of the onion. Do whatever you can to get it in there. I learned this technique in my time in India from the Indian street vendors. Now add your salt and go ahead and strain it real well. Go ahead and get all the onions in there and strain it as well as you can. And if you can flip this, even better. Now add your yeast back into this and really soak up the onions. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and rinse it and strain it one final time. By this point, your steak should be done. Go ahead and grab it, but be careful because it is going to be very hot, as you can see. We ended up cooking the steak a little bit more well done than we usually do, but that's okay. Go ahead and add your onions to this and get ready to chop. Remember to be careful because this will be hot. And now this is what a real dishwasher steak should look like. Here it is, the final product. Look at that meat, perfect. Thank you, Bud Light. I invited some friends over to try the steak and mamma mia, it's delicious. And it's just like that, the dishwasher steak.